Exploring sequences and progressions. In mathematics, sequences are special kinds of patterns formed by numbers or other objects arranged in a particular order. Patterns help us make sense of the world and predict what comes next. A sequence as an ordered list of numbers, where each number is a term of the sequence. It is helpful to have a convenient notation to describe a sequence. We can use T1 to represent the first term of a sequence, T2 to represent the second term, and so on. In this notation, the subscripts match the term numbers. Explicit rule for a sequence. Using the notation T sub n, or S sub n, or U sub n, we can write an explicit rule for the term in the nth position of a sequence, that is, the nth term. An explicit formula uses the term's position number, n, to calculate its value. Thus, U sub n equals 2n minus 1 is the explicit rule for the nth term of the sequence of odd numbers. The Varanka-Fibonacci sequence is the famous numerical pattern 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers, discovered in India centuries before it was popularized in Europe. Vn equals Vn minus 1 plus Vn minus 2 for n greater than or equal to 3. So we get the sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, etc. Sequences in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant are known as arithmetic progressions. We will refer to them as APs. In general, an arithmetic progression, AP, can be described as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1 times D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Thus, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D is an expression for the nth term of any arithmetic progression, for some fixed values of A and D. Note, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D is the explicit rule for finding the nth term of an AP.